With a broad portfolio of naturally derived products for agriculture, public health, and forest health, Valent BioSciences helps maximize human potential by increasing food production, protecting the environment, and controlling insect vectors that transmit disease. Biorational products are created from microorganisms typically derived from natural biological organisms. A key advantage of biopesticides, which are considered part of the biorational products group, is their safety for the public, workers, and the environment. Another benefit is that they are usually highly specific, meaning there is little effect on beneficial pests or other organisms. Valent BioSciences has a large portfolio of biorational products and technologies. The company is strongly committed to maintaining its position as the biorational industry's ultimate innovator, leveraging decades of expertise and capabilities to create new solutions to the challenges facing agriculture and public health today. To reinforce its commitment to ensuring the highest quality performance standards of its products, VBC built and operates a manufacturing facility in Osage, Iowa. It is the first ever facility designed and constructed for the sole purpose of producing biorational products. Valent BioSciences prides itself on overseeing the entire manufacturing process, from conception, development, and testing to large-scale manufacturing. Because biorational products are made from living microorganisms, it is especially important to closely monitor all stages of fermentation and production. This begins with a small test tube of a beneficial microbe at the company's state-of-the-art Global Research and Development Center in Libertyville, Illinois, to find the optimal conditions to ferment the microbe on a small scale. When the product is ready for large-scale production, it moves to Osage, Iowa. Here, the manufacturing process is further refined in the pilot plant on larger fermenters than are available at the Biorational Research Center, and eventually scaled up for production in 3-story fermenters. Initially grown in a shake flask, the beneficial microbe is injected into the large-scale industrial fermenters. In an ideal growth medium, the beneficial microbe begins to reproduce rapidly, creating the product that is used globally. Nearby, an insect colony is carefully maintained for the purpose of product testing, batch by batch. 4 species of insects, 2 Lepidoptera, and 2 mosquito colonies are raised here for the sole purpose of assuring the highest quality biological insecticides. By managing all of the manufacturing processes in-house, Valent BioSciences can ensure its stringent quality standards are met, and customers can be confident that the products they buy will perform consistently and effectively. With its leading-edge research, development, and manufacturing facilities, and commitment to outstanding products developed based on sound science, VBC is leading the way in global sustainability initiatives with highly effective products that have low environmental impact. Valent BioSciences. Our business is biorationals.